So we're gonna let that soak in a little bit. It's just water. We're doing Incorporeal today. I am going to use the Wilkinson sword that is still in the super speed. Just doing a one pass against the grain shave because, well, I just don't feel like it. To be honest, I don't need a great shave today. I just, want a decent Spanish leather for the pre-shave, and I don't know what we'll use for the aftershave. We'll find out. I don't know what I'm gonna be in the mood for. I'm kind of thinking we'll use the Barrister Mann, what is it? The spice one. But we will find out. So, I'm gonna put a little more water on here. Actually, I think we're still good. I'm gonna put my pre-shave on, get my lather going. Let's get to it. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't freak out again today. Yesterday I thought I had a video for you guys, and camera cut off. I am thinking about upgrading to a DJI Osmo Action 4 for my other channels, which would let me also use it for here. Supposedly they are much more reliable. They have some other properties I would like as well for the other channels. It's still like $400 minimum, really like $600. Plus I would need more batteries. Those are like $25 a pop. It adds up, guys, it adds up. But we will see. Totally taking advantage of the pre-shave and good lather, because otherwise that would hurt. I would have some serious razor burn. But that is all we're gonna do. Quick, easy, single pass against the grain for the most part. My neck is not going to be great, but it's going to be good enough. That's kind of the key today. I just wanted a good enough shave to go through tomorrow, and then I'm off for a day. So anyway, let's get cleaned up and we'll do the aftershave. We renewed spice. I'm curious to see how much this burns because I did overdo it a little bit. Yeah, a little sting here or there, but nothing major. So, you know, decent shave, nothing crazy, nothing great, but quick, easy, it's done, and it was still more enjoyable than using canned shit and a regular razor, you know, modern cartridge razor. So, take it easy, guys.